Boston is big. It's good to put my food on the streets of Boston. Secondly is that I choose Boston to actually compete in April. Reason number one is that the Americans or those who are living in Boston actually are celebrating 10 years after the attack, which I feel that I should be there to celebrate with them and send the positive vibes around the world that we are brothers and sisters. We need to be one, and sport is what brings us together. I always tell you that I am a man who follows, who actually chases one rabbit. So the rabbit in front of me is Boston. So after Boston, I'll answer you that question. My word to the young ones actually is to train well, train in a good way, focus well, run clean, and actually try to push their bodies because they are not limited at all. And they will actually, they need to show in Australia.